Choosing frames and having the proper lenses fitted for eyeglasses may be quite an investment because they are not inexpensive. It might be annoying to discover scratches on your glasses because they might cause eyesight problems. The cost of replacing eyeglass lenses might be high. We frequently throw our glasses in our pockets or handbag after leaving them out in the open, and these routine movements can scratch the lenses. But this is not a long-term situation. While some surface scratches can be easily fixed, certain deep scratches can necessitate replacing your lenses. So in today's video, we will be discussing 5 ways to remove scratches from eyeglasses. Before we go further into the video, be kind enough to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on new videos. 1. Toothpaste. Your teeth can stay bright and white with the help of toothpaste. You can use toothpaste to keep your lenses gleaming and clean. Regular toothpaste should be placed on a cotton ball or microfiber cloth and gently rubbed over the scratched lenses for 10 seconds. Use a fresh cloth to clean it. Repeat the process until the scratches disappear. 2. Baking soda. Use these 2 simple substances that you can find in your home. Create a thick paste by combining 1 to 2 tablespoons of baking soda with warm water. Using a cotton ball or microfiber cloth, apply this paste to the scratched lenses and gently rub for 10 seconds in a circular motion. Clean the glasses with a damp towel to remove any remaining paste. You can relax knowing your spectacles are spotless and scratch-free. 3. White vinegar. You can clean a variety of household items, including your glasses, with white vinegar. Baking soda and vinegar should be combined before waiting for the foam to subside. Using a cotton ball or microfiber cloth, apply this paste to the scratched lenses. Repeat after rinsing the paste. Cleaning plastic eyeglasses is improved when vinegar is used in place of water. Your eyeglasses will appear brilliant and translucent when treated with vinegar. 4. Car wax. Shallow scratches on glasses can be fixed by applying a little auto wax. For approximately 10 seconds, scrub it in circular strokes using a microfiber cloth. Remove any residual wax with a soft cloth, then rinse with water. Before the wax is completely removed off the glasses, it can take a few tries. 5. Rubbing alcohol. Your glasses won't get clean with only alcohol. A better choice is to combine rubbing alcohol with an abrasive like baking soda. Scratches on the glasses can be removed by rubbing with an alcoholic abrasive. Even if there are no scratches on your glasses, cleaning them is still an excellent idea, albeit it can be more expensive than the other ways indicated above. And it's a wrap, guys. Thanks for sticking with us till the end of the video. Feel free to share your thoughts and other ways to remove scratches from eyeglasses with us in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our next video. Bye for now.